Meaning of disgorge.
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 Disgorge. The verb disgorge means to forcefully expel or discharge something, usually from a confined space. The result of disgorging is that the contents within the space are suddenly and rapidly expelled, often with force and without control. This can lead to a messy or chaotic situation, particularly if the contents are released in an uncontrolled manner. Disgorging can also be used to describe an action taken by a regulatory body ordering a company or individual to return profits gained through illegal activities.